Hey guys, set to achieve. I just wanted to put out a video today, and the title is Your Gift Will Make Room for You. Is there any knowledge, any information that you have, any tools, tips, or tricks that you have that you can possibly use and to be able to help somebody else? If you do, then this is a video for you. Okay? Simply Passive teaches you how to turn your ideas, the things that you've come out of, whatever solutions that you have, your knowledge, it teaches you how to turn those things into tools, okay? And in the process, be able to earn money from those things, okay? Via digital products, okay? There are people all over, online, offline, but especially online, that are looking for exactly what it is that you have to offer. People need what it is that you have to offer. If you're able to monetize that gift, even the pain and the problems that you've gone through. For example, I was able to get through and break out of a narcissistic abusive marriage. And I have a PDF guide on how I use my faith to break out of a narcissistic abusive relationship. That is something that people can use, read, and learn from right in the comfort of their computer or their phone. Okay? Do you have anything? It doesn't matter what it is. It teaches you how to use Canva to create the things that you need so that you can satisfy the people, your perfect customers. And who are these people? Who are your perfect customers? The people that can relate to exactly what it is that you're talking about. The people that can connect with you. Okay, they can see themselves in you. That is your target audience. Okay? You can be able to if you're able to break out of the 9 to 5 mindset, thinking that that's all that you can do in your life, okay? Because that is actually what captures people when they feel that they're stuck, okay? When they feel that they don't have anything to offer anybody. That's what keeps people in captivity. You're not stuck. You have a lot to offer, okay? And Simply Passive teaches you exactly how to use the tools, the tricks, the tips that you have. Okay? If you're able to take somebody else from point A to point B, that's success. Sorry, excuse me. Okay? If you're able to take somebody else from where they are to where they potentially could be, even to give them that vision, okay, then you've achieved your goal. Okay? A lot of people are stuck in really crummy 9 to 5 jobs. And if you're one of those people that enjoy your 9 to 5, that's good. But that doesn't mean that you cannot expand. Okay? The reason why people are suffering from narcissistic abuse in their 9 to 5s by companies is because the companies know that that is all they have. When somebody sees you and feels that you don't have options, that they're all that you have, and they know that that's the way you're thinking, he's all I have, she's all I have, they're gonna misuse it, because people tend to misuse power. The Bible says in the book of Proverbs, your gift will make room for you. Why not start making use of the gifts that you have? Whatever your gifts are, Learn how to brand those gifts. Okay? Learn how to become a personal brand. Okay? Get ideas for different digital products you can create. And then exactly how to use Canva to create those digital products. Okay? Learn about digital marketing, faceless marketing. Okay? There are so many tools that you can use. But if you're not aware of those things, the Bible says that my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge on how to apply, of proper application. You don't know how to monetize. Okay? The Bible says your gift will make room for you and bring you before great men. Who are these great men? The people that want exactly what it is that you have. There is somebody out there that needs what you have and they need it desperately. Why not make yourself available for them? Okay? If you don't put it out there, nobody will be able to buy. It's not that you're looking at money as the first thing. No, you're looking at solving people's problems. Being able to be a help to people. Just yesterday, I finished a digital product that I was able to create when I purchased this course that taught me, after purchasing Simply Passive, I used the ideas, the tools, the instructions that I got from there to create my own digital product about how to use your car, how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car in 2 weeks. Okay, I have everything in my Stand store. All the tools that I use is in my Stand store. I have Simply Passive. I have my how I was able to break out of narcissistic abuse. I have this digital product I just created to help people, and it has a list of 72 different apps that you can use to make money with your car. And it tells my story of how I was able to break out of nursing, and the mindset that if I was not a nurse, then I couldn't be anything else, because all my family members were in healthcare. Just about all of them, in one form or the other, from doctors to nurses to other forms. And I felt that if I wasn't able to be a nurse, and it didn't help that my husband was also pushing for me to be that. Okay? But I was able to press into myself and realize that I didn't need to please anybody else. I needed to please myself. I needed to follow my own spirit and where God was leading me. Okay, God works in our spirit, because those that worship Him must worship Him in spirit and in truth. God showed me the truth, that it was possible for me to break out. I already had my car. I had a driver's license. Okay? So I was able to create that guide using this knowledge I learned and I got from Simply Passive. Okay? Now I've over time I've been able to develop so many tools and tricks, through trial and error, and just living and experiencing the things that I was experiencing. I was able to create those things and those experiences, and monetize those experiences into now a digital product that somebody can purchase and somebody can learn from. Okay? So that is not unique to me. That can be anybody. Okay? So if you're listening to this video and you are looking for a way, something that will teach you, I know YouTube has a lot of information. Okay? But if you want a step-by-step guide to teach you exactly what you need to do, and also it comes with a community. So when you purchase the course, they have a link right in the course on how you can join the community. Just click on that link and you can be able to join the Facebook group of everybody else that is using that course. Okay? And they're talking about their experiences, good, the bad, or ugly, whatever it is. Okay? So I'm here to inspire you and motivate you today that let your gift make room for you. Okay? So if you're ready to take action and start using what you have to be able to give the people that are listening to you, that want what you have, give them what they need, and start taking action today. Okay? Start using your gift and let it open doors for you and bring you before great people. People that will love you, people that trust you, people that know you, and people that want what you have to offer. Okay? Use the tools that you know with what you will learn. Okay? To get to a higher place. Because now you have something to offer that you can be able to give to the people that want it. Okay? It's all about helping people. And the more people you are able to help, the more money will come to you. Okay? This is Set to Achieve, signing out. Till next time, peace.